Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Cactiye Vertical. The Cactiye Vertical, APPX. $11, comes in a pack of 4, making these a great option for the baller with multiple bats. Constructed from sturdy metal, these have protective padding surrounding the hooks, which can be rotated and used in pairs for horizontal placement. Space-saving design, extra long wall screws, holds up to 10 pounds. Hipiwe Bat and Ball Holder. The Hipiwe Bat and Ball Holder, APPX. $8, is a vertical hanging option made from a durable plastic that is clear for unobstructed visibility. This model features a spot for your valuable game ball, and the installation hardware is included. 4 mm thick plastic, available with 4 slots, weighs less than 1 pound. Cypress Sunrise Hanger. The Cypress Sunrise Hanger, APPX. $18, is made from durable bamboo, giving it a beautiful grain appearance, and it is lined with felt to protect your bat and keep it secure. The included screws are hidden from sight once it is installed. For both big and small handles, only need a screwdriver to install, makes a great gift. Better Display Acrylic. The Better Display Acrylic, around $18, is constructed from a thick, durable plastic that is crystal clear, so it does not interfere with the aesthetic appeal of your bat. It holds a standard-sized bat, and the mounting screws are included. A 1/4 inch thick, hangs horizontally, available for variety of sizes. Teslyar Display. The Teslyar Display, around $22, is a compact selection constructed from the wood of an ash tree for durability. It is a deep ebony color, polished and dyed with a glossy varnish, and padded with felt to keep the bat held securely in place. Screws are hidden from view, holds standard-sized bats, hardware included.